Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a crash mat in this video. So for this I'm going to tell you what all do we need and how we are going to do it. It's a very easy process and we need not spend much amount on it, so everyone will be able to do it after watching this video. So let's get started. So to make a crash mat we need a sponge blocks or the sponge pieces which are unused or the old ones. These we can get from a nearby sofa repair shop. So you can find out at a nearby sofa repair shop and check with them if they have any old unused sponge blocks or pieces, and you can get this sponge from these shops. So I got mine from a nearby shop. So I just paid 100 rupees and I got these many blocks, sponge blocks, and I've already cut some of them into pieces, and there are some more to be cut. So just remember to cut the sponge pieces unevenly. They need not be even. So this is how I just take a kitchen knife and cut the sponge blocks into pieces. So I finished cutting all the remaining blocks, and they came out to be around 60 to 70 pieces of sponges. So these are all ready to go into the crash mat cover. So what we can do is take two bed sheets and stitch it on all the three sides, and just leave one side open, because from the open side we are going to put the sponge pieces into the cover. Here I have used a mattress cover which comes with a zipper, so it's easy to close, put the sponge inside and close it. This you can get it from any furnishing shops. So I'm going to put all the sponge pieces inside the bed sheet cover. After you put all the pieces, just seal the last side, whatever side it has been left, seal the last side, stitch it up, and the crash mat is ready. Please remember that we should not use the crash mat directly on the floor. I am going to show you how to use it, so please watch the video till the end. So for the purpose of maintaining the crash mat and to maintain it clean, I am putting one more outer cover, so that I can take out the outer cover whenever I feel it is dirty, and just wash the outer cover and put the crash mat back into the outer cover after washing is done. So we are going to use crash mat not directly on the floor. We have to put it over a mattress like this. This is a normal regular bed sleeping mattress, or you can put either it on a gym mat like the blue one, like the thinner one, flat thinner one. So we usually use it on the bed mattress, sleeping mattress. So the crash mat is ready for use. For the outer cover, you can again take a pair of bed sheets and stitch like we did for the crash mat cover. Or here I've used a duvet cover which I've ordered from Amazon. I'll post the link in the description. Just to make it clear again, you can either make the covers using bed sheets that are available at home, or you can get mattress covers for both inner and outer cover, or you can get duvet covers from which are available on Amazon. So I've used a mattress cover for inner cover, and the outer cover is the duvet cover. So hope this helps. Thank you. Hope this video helps you in making a crash mat on your own. Thank you so much.